Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to which functions to use to rank values in a series of values. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to give you the file with all the formulas. You can download everything right below the video. I'm gonna give you the link and I'm going to show you how to rank these values of points scored by each team, and then we're gonna make a top 3 with an automatic top 3 with formulas. So first thing, to rank all those values, we can use the formulas, which the simplest formula is called rank, and we are going to rank the value within a list of values. So here we're going to rank one score among the list of all scores, and I'm going to use, what did I do? We're going to use absolute values for the second parameter. This way, this range is going to be the same when we extend the formula everywhere, and then the third parameter we need to use is whether we want a descending or ascending order. Descending, which means the number 1 is going to be the biggest score. That's what we want. Otherwise, it's going to be it would be ascending order, which means the biggest score is the smallest value. So here we're going to take descending, which means number 1 is the most points. And here, here it's going to be interesting because we're going to see right away how it works. So, of course, the teams with 15 points are ranked as number 1, but actually you have 2 teams with 15 points, so they are both number 1, and you see there are no number 2. It's number 1, and number 3. So so that's quite interesting. So after, you can use your own rule to determine which one is actually number 1 within those 2. Of course, if you have a regular number 2, for example, here I'm going to switch to 15, 14, and then 13. We're going to have number 1, number 2, and 2 number 3s as well. So we're going to go back to what we had and use the formula to make the top 3. So here, what we need to do is actually compute a modified rank, which will actually remove duplicates. I mean, when you have ex aequo, you must have a rule to determine which one is the first one. So what we're going to do for that is we're actually going to say that the first one which appears is the winner. You can choose another rule, but that's what we're going to use here. So we're going to put this modified rank in a new column, and we're going to use the rank plus the number of the line. So it's going to be plus the number of the row, which is row divided by, for example, 10,000. Why do I do that? Is because we want, each time we switch rows, we want to increase the number, but we don't want to increase it enough to actually mess with the number in itself. So in that case, it's going to be, for example, here the number is going to be 7.00002. And even if I have a very large table, it's never going to be enough to reach 8 and to be confused with the rank number 8. Okay, so that's why I divide it by 10,000. This way it's unique, but not enough to mess with the rank. And each time you see here the value row, it takes the value of the number of the row. So here it's going to be 9 for the row number 9. So here what's cool is that we don't have any ex aequo anymore. For example, the number 1, there's 1.004, 1.0006. So it's easier now to, we just have to sort the table according to these values. Well, one way to do that actually is to reuse. We can reuse, for example, the function rank. We're going to rank this value among all of these. Absolute again 0, and this time it's gonna be this time it's gonna be the other way, because with the smallest value it's actually the first one, and this way we have actually a unique rank. So this one's going to be number 1, this one's going to be number 2. Insert here, and now I just have to do a VLOOKUP. I'm going to look in this. Actually, no, I can't do a VLOOKUP because it's going to be here. So I have to do. I have to use research functions. So I have to match. So I have to do what? I have to do so index. So in this, I want what? I want the team. So here I have 4 in this, and I want the number, which is gonna be the number of the row is gonna be match. We're going to find the value number 1 within this list of values with an exact match. I'm not going to explain how these search function how they work. You can find it on the channel. I'm gonna make videos for that, how index and match work. I'm just gonna show you the final result. So match. So match. We're gonna find the value 1 within this this column and return the same position in this column A, like this, and it's gonna say it's the team yellow, and then the team orange. Where is number 2? Orange. And number 3 it's blue. We get blue. Perfect. Now I'm gonna take the same formula, but instead for the points I need to where are the points? I need to, what do I need to do? Yeah, I'm not returning the team, I'm returning the point, so that's what I'm using. And here it is. Yellow team has 15 points, orange team has 15, and blue team has 13 points. So here we have our top 3. So quick recap: rank function to actually rank all the values. Then we use a rule to separate values that have the same rank. Then we use another rank to have a real rank with no duplicates, and then we use research function to actually return the top of the scores. And here we have our top 3. You can download the file. Once again, the file is right below the video with everything already set up. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you'll get notified exactly when I publish it. And see you tomorrow. Ciao.